Gentlemen, you've been told fruits are always healthy. But here's the truth, some fruits act like rocket fuel for your manhood, boosting testosterone and blood flow. While others quietly drain your energy, lower your testosterone, and even weaken your confidence in the bedroom. For over 15 years, I've helped men in their 60s, 70s, and 80s reclaim energy, stamina, and masculinity, naturally, without pills, risky surgery, or empty promises. And here's why this matters to me, because too many men lose their spark not from age, but from eating the wrong foods every single day. Foods they thought were helping them. So in this video, I'll reveal the 4 fruits you must eat to reignite testosterone and restore blood flow. And the 4 fruits you should avoid at all costs if you want to stay strong, energized, and confident. Stick with me, because the last fruit on both lists might completely surprise you. Let's dive in. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the most powerful fruits for men's health. It's packed with antioxidants that protect testosterone molecules from damage. A 2012 study from Queen Margaret University in the UK found that men who drank pure pomegranate juice daily experienced a 24% increase in testosterone levels within just 2 weeks. This surge in testosterone means better bedroom performance, more drive, and stronger erections. Beyond that, pomegranate improves heart health, supports memory, reduces inflammation, strengthens immunity, and even slows down aging at the cellular level. To prepare, drink half a glass of pure pomegranate juice daily or eat half a fresh pomegranate in the morning. And before we dive into the next fascinating point, hey, if this video has been helpful to you so far, a subscribe would mean a lot to us. What that does for us is it gives us an indicator that we are building an audience and that we are creating helpful content for people. But if pomegranate boosts testosterone like this, wait until you see the fruit that scientists call nature's Viagra. Watermelon. Often called nature's Viagra, watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that the body converts into arginine, which then boosts nitric oxide and circulation. In 2008, researchers at Texas A&M University found that citrulline in watermelon relaxed blood vessels and improved blood flow in a way similar to prescription performance enhancers. That translates into harder, longer-lasting erections, improved stamina, and better blood pressure control. Watermelon also hydrates your body, supports kidney health, improves digestion, boosts energy levels, and helps reduce muscle soreness after exercise. To prepare, eat 2 to 3 cups of fresh watermelon daily or blend it into a juice. For men over 60, enjoying it earlier in the day maximizes energy and blood flow. But if watermelon opens up your circulation like this, wait until you see the fruit that helps your body create testosterone naturally. Avocado. Avocado is loaded with healthy fats that fuel testosterone production. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry showed that men who consumed monounsaturated fats, like those found in avocado, had up to a 15% higher testosterone level compared to those on low-fat diets. The potassium and magnesium inside also support blood flow and energy production. This directly translates to stronger stamina, better bedroom performance, and a steady release of energy throughout the day. On top of that, avocado improves heart health, supports brain function, lowers cholesterol, strengthens the immune system, and keeps skin youthful. To prepare, eat half an avocado daily. You can slice it on toast, add it to a salad, or blend it into a smoothie. But if avocado helps your body naturally produce more testosterone, wait until you see the fruit that boosts stamina and endurance in the simplest way. Bananas. Bananas are a powerhouse for circulation and stamina. They're rich in bromelain, an enzyme that supports testosterone production, and packed with potassium, which keeps blood pressure in check and promotes blood flow. A 2018 study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry found that higher potassium intake improved vascular health and endurance in men by over 17%. That means more staying power in the bedroom, more energy in your workouts, and sharper focus throughout the day. Bananas also help improve digestion, reduce muscle cramps, enhance mood, support kidney health, and stabilize blood sugar. To prepare, eat 1 medium banana before breakfast or about 30 minutes before intimacy or exercise for a natural stamina boost. But here's the catch. While some fruits boost your manhood, others silently destroy it. And these are the ones almost no one talks about. But here's the catch. While some fruits boost your manhood, others silently destroy it. And these are the ones almost no one talks about. In fact, most men eat them every single day without realizing they're sabotaging their testosterone, blood flow, and bedroom confidence. And if you thought the fruits I just shared were powerful, Wait until you hear about the ones that can wreck your performance without you even knowing. Grapefruit hormone chaos by drug interaction and blood pressure crashes. Grapefruit blocks a gut enzyme that helps your body break down many medications, including common blood pressure pills, statins, and even erectile dysfunction meds. That can spike drug levels unpredictably, leading to dizziness, headaches, or sudden drops in blood pressure that wreck performance and sap confidence. In clinical pharmacology trials, grapefruit juice increased sildenafil bioavailability and delayed absorption, making its effects less predictable. Cardiology reviews advise avoiding the combo because the same enzyme pathway is involved for many heart drugs men over 60 take. You start drinking a glass of grapefruit juice each morning for heart health. Then wonder why your pressure pills feel too strong at noon and why your performance is all over the place. The next fruit won't mess with your meds, but it can quietly flood your system with sugar that blunts testosterone after lunch. Canned peaches in heavy syrup sugar overload that drives insulin spikes, suppresses testosterone for hours, and stiffens arteries over time. Canned fruit in syrup is essentially fruit bathing in liquid sugar, which means rapid glucose hits your bloodstream and slams your hormones. Science-backed reasoning, in controlled testing. A standard glucose load cut men's testosterone by about a quarter within 2 hours. Long-term, higher sugary drink and juice intake is linked to greater diabetes and mortality risk, a proxy for the same high sugar pattern you get from syrupy cans. A bowl of fruit after dinner feels healthy, but that syrup is acting like dessert, leaving you sluggish and flat later that night. Think dried fruit is safer because it's natural and portable. The next one can be a sugar bomb in disguise. Dates and candied dried fruit concentrated sugar that spikes insulin fast and, in big handfuls, can push cortisol up and testosterone down for the next couple of hours. Sweetened or candied versions are even worse because added sugars strip away the portion control nature intended. Acute glucose surges suppress testosterone and luteinizing hormone in men. Many commercial dried fruits and mixes are sweetened, and liquid or rapidly absorbed sugars are most strongly linked with metabolic risk compared to sugars bound up in whole foods with intact fiber. You keep a tub of trail mix on your desk and grab a few scoops during the day. By evening you feel puffy, tired, and not in the mood, and you can't figure out why. The next favorite vacation fruit tastes amazing but can rush your blood sugar even faster when you eat it solo. Pineapple chunks and pineapple cups in syrup. High glycemic hit that surges blood sugar and can narrow your window for strong, reliable blood flow. Pre-packed cups often add syrup, turning a tropical treat into a metabolic landmine. High glycemic foods raise glucose quickly, while sugary liquids or syrupy fruits carry a higher glycemic load than their whole fruit counterparts. Harvard and other clinical guidance note that juice or syrup versions drive a bigger spike than eating the same fruit with its full fiber intact. A quick pineapple cup after lunch seems light, but an hour later you're crashing, your belt feels tighter, and your evening energy and drive are gone. Want to know exactly which healthy morning habit silently sabotages men's hormones and blood flow even more than these? Keep watching for the bonus mistakes and the easy swaps that restore your edge fast. The last fruit on this list is the one most men eat every morning, thinking it's healthy, but it's secretly lowering testosterone. That fruit is orange juice. Not the whole orange, but the store-bought carton of juice. Why? Because it's stripped of fiber and concentrated into liquid sugar. A single glass can pack as much sugar as a soda, spiking insulin, raising cortisol, and studies show it can suppress testosterone by up to 25% within hours. Men think they're fueling their day, but what they're really doing is setting up a hormonal crash that kills energy, blood flow, and drive before noon. If you want the benefits of citrus, eat the whole fruit, not the carton of juice. Gentlemen, if you've made it this far, it shows you truly care about your health and manhood. Do this one thing now, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the science-backed truths that are changing men's lives worldwide. And let me leave you with this, you deserve to age strong, confident, and respected. Never let misinformation steal your spark, because your best years can still be ahead of you.